In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google Docs. We're going to add page numbers to a Google Doc, choose exactly where those numbers appear, and set the numbering to start at 3. This is perfect if your document has a cover page and a table of contents you don't want counted as pages 1 and 2. Start by opening your document in Google Docs so you can see the top toolbar. Up there, look for the Format menu. Give that a click. Format is where Google Docs keeps layout controls that affect how your document looks, and it's the right place to manage page numbering. From the Format menu, select Page Numbers. This opens the Page Numbering Options window. Here's where you decide how and where the numbers will appear. You'll see choices for placing numbers in the header or the footer and in different alignments. If you want the numbers at the bottom of the page, select an option that puts them in the footer. If you prefer them at the top, pick a header option. Choose the position that matches the style of your document. For example, many professional reports place page numbers at the bottom right, but consistency with your existing layout is what matters most. Now, look for the Start At field. This controls the first page number Google Docs will use. Instead of beginning with 1, we're going to start at 3. Click into that Start At box and type in 3. This tells Docs to label the first numbered page as page 3, and it will automatically count up from there for the rest of your document. Once you've chosen the position and entered your starting number, click Apply. Give your document a quick scroll to confirm that the page numbers have appeared where you expect them. If you started at 3, the first page where numbering appears should show a 3, followed by 4, 5, and so on. If something doesn't look right, you can reopen the same menu by going back to Format and Page Numbers to adjust the position or the starting number. And remember, you can always undo with a quick keyboard shortcut if you need to revert. That's it. Your page numbers are in place, positioned where you want them, and the numbering starts at 3. This small setup step makes your document look more polished and keeps your sections organized, especially when you're preparing reports, proposals, or academic papers. Thanks for watching, and feel free to pause and follow along as you apply these changes to your own document.